Hi, I'm Paweł Spychalski, and if you are an open source project maintainer on the GitHub, or you are a contributor that just from time to time like to contribute to different open source projects on the GitHub, and if the project you are either maintaining or you will be in the future proposing some changes are using GitHub Actions, your life is about to change. Why? Because apparently in the last few, probably months, GitHub crew decided that there are attempts to hijack the computational power of the GitHub Actions, the CI/CD flow you can set up for free for your open source project to mine cryptocurrency. Yes, there were attempts where different projects were just forking popular or not even popular repositories and proposing a specially prepared pull requests that instead of doing something useful were only hijacking the computational power of the GitHub servers to unfortunately compute hashes of the different cryptocurrencies. This, however, is about to change because a few days ago GitHub announced a change of the policy toward those kind of actions. First of all, the maintainer of the original project will not be the one that will be, let's say, accused of misuse of the GitHub Actions, but the person who is actively using the specially prepared code to mine the cryptocurrency will be the one that will take the consequences of the actions. And the second change is that there will be a change of how the actions are triggered, because the first time contributors to a project that are using GitHub Actions, just making the first time contribution to the project will not trigger the actions. Someone with the right permissions to the repository will have to go to the pull request and manually accept the pull request to run the GitHub Actions and verify if the code is really working for the first time. We have to assume that if you are that if you are proposing changes to the repositories as your normal actions, and this is your not first time contribution to the project, nobody will really have to approve. But as this first layer of defense for the abuse, and let's be honest, this is abuse of the goodwill that GitHub and Microsoft, who is owner of the GitHub, is proposing to the community, you will have to be verified. Is it a good thing? Well, if not the cryptocurrency thing that is happening right now, we probably would not even have this problem. So yes, it's a good thing that the GitHub is fighting with this procedure that is, in my opinion, is absolutely against everything that's open source is for, but unfortunately there is a small price to pay by the maintainers that they will for the first time have to say, yes, okay, I do accept this. It could have been better, it could have been worse. I could imagine that probably the best way is that it's not possible to mine cryptocurrencies with GitHub Actions, but this probably is not achievable for the relatively low price. So that's the reality, and let's be prepared for this new change on the GitHub. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching, and until the next one. Bye bye.